Polite echoes. Could you say that again, please? Hello there. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to focus on an essential aspect of conversational English: asking for repetition. In particular, we're going to explore a very polite way to ask someone to repeat what they've said. Could you say that again, please? Let's start by breaking down the phrase, "Could you say that again, please?" This sentence is a polite request where you're asking the other person to repeat something. It's comprised of 3 key parts. 1. Could you? This is a polite way to ask someone to do something. 2. Say that again. This is your actual request. You're asking the person to repeat what they've just said. 3. Please. Adding this word at the end of your request makes it even more polite. The phrase, "Could you say that again, please?" is particularly useful in these situations. When you haven't clearly heard or understood what the person said. When you want to confirm that you have heard or understood correctly. When the person is speaking too quickly, or their accent makes it difficult to understand. Let's see some examples of this phrase in action. 1. Example 1. You're talking to a friend, and they say something that you didn't quite catch. You can say, "Could you say that again, please? I didn't catch that." 2. Example 2. In a business meeting, your boss makes a statement that you're not sure you understood. You can ask, "Could you say that again, please? I want to make sure I understood you correctly." 3. Example 3. You're speaking with a person who has a strong accent. You can use the phrase, "Could you say that again, please? I'm having a little trouble with your accent." There are several alternative phrases that you can use to request repetition. These include, "Could you please repeat that? I'm sorry. Could you repeat what you said? I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it, please?" These are all polite ways of asking for repetition, and you can use them interchangeably with, "Could you say that again, please?" And there you have it. Next time you find yourself in a conversation and you need the other person to repeat something, remember to use the phrase, "Could you say that again, please?" This will not only help you understand better, but it also keeps the conversation polite and respectful. We hope you found this video helpful. Practice using this phrase, and you'll be more confident in your English conversations in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.